Hi folks, Simon Harrison here and welcome to this month's Market Watch. What a year 2016 has been so far. I've been selling since 1998 and I've seen plenty of strong markets, but I have to be honest, this year would be the best property market I've experienced. Since the start of the year, my team and I have set over 20 street records and there's been some fantastic results in and around our area. We've seen some suburb records achieved. Longaville, with a property that sold just shy of $12 million that was a non-waterfront home. In Riverview, a fantastic property sold recently, just over $4 million, another suburb record. As for Bronia Park and that beautiful little pocket of Hunters Hill, my team and I just set a new suburb record with a sale of 31 Princes Street. Lovely home, beautifully renovated. We had 8 registered bidders. The property sold $300,000 over the reserve and fell just short of $4 million. Another standout would be 18 Lyndhurst Crescent, also in Hunters Hill. Auction the same day, we only had 4 registered bidders, but 2 buyers took it so far above the rest of the market. Also sold just shy of 4, but over $600,000 over the written reserve. Thirdly, 38 Fox Street. What a beautiful home. We had 6 registered bidders there and the result was $175,000 over the reserve and selling just north of 2.6. The question I get often is why are the market conditions at the moment delivering such strong results? In my experience, there's 3 or 4 drivers that are underpinning the current market. Firstly, record low interest rates. If you had a look back to February last year in 2015, the official cash rate was 2.25%. Currently, it's dropped down to 1.5%. The RBA met again this week and they've decided to leave that cash rate on hold. Secondly, it'd have to be the record low stock levels that we've seen this year. So to give you some raw stats, if you had a look at the Lane Coves, and I mean Lane Cove West and Lane Cove North, are down around about 15 to 17% in terms of stock levels. Longaville, wow, Longaville is down 70% when compared to the same time of last year. When you're looking at Hunters Hill and Woolwich, they're down about 30 to 35%. So what that means if you're out there buying or selling, there's less property to choose from, and that's really fueling competition. The third one would be what I call the trickle-up effect. What we're seeing are sellers and buyers in the lower price range doing considerably better than what they imagined, and they're grabbing that extra value and they're taking that further jump up. It takes a while for that to come into effect. We've had such a strong marketplace over the last 3 or 4 years, that's definitely playing a role in the pricing at the moment. The fourth would have to be foreign investment, although that has come back a little bit over the last 12 months, but they're still very prevalent at the top end of the market and also for new property investment. So the question now is, what will the rest of the year bring? There's no question that there's going to be a slight increase in volume, but if you're buying at the moment, my advice would be don't hold back. A couple of properties this month to bring your attention to: 8 Gamma Road, Lane Cove. I genuinely feel this is one of the best locations in the suburb. Coming into Hunters Hill, 47 Bonifan Road, sitting on over 1,000 square metres, due north facing, a beautiful property. Again, don't miss that one. What you've got to appreciate, there's really only about another 3 to 4 weeks left of new property hitting the market. So my advice is if you do see something out there you like, really go for it now. Same goes for selling. You've really got about a window of 2 to 3 weeks. So if you're looking to capitalise on the current market, give us a ring now because we'd like to sit down with you and plan timing, preparation and strategy. And again, I'd like to think that there's really only 2 weeks left to make that happen this year. That's all from me, guys. It's been a great month. I'm really excited to see how the rest of the year pans out. My team and I look forward to seeing you at one of our open homes and look forward to helping you. Thanks so much.